Hello again, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. A couple of years ago, we showed a video on Raycast, which is a Spotlight replacement for Mac. That video still stands as a great intro to Raycast for anyone looking to get started with it, and I certainly recommend hitting it up. But as time has progressed, many features have been added to Raycast. Some of them are small but useful, and others much bigger, like integration of large language models such as ChatGPT. We'll start today's video by covering all the free-to-use updates, before moving on to features that require a Raycast Pro subscription. So let's get to it, starting with some additions to screenshots. The default way to access Raycast is by pressing Option and Space at the same time, compared to Spotlight, which is Command and Space. We'll cover how to change this a little later on. Once there, we can use it pretty much the same way we use Spotlight, but with a lot more integrated extensions and features. Search for or select Screenshot from the list. Now this, in truth, is the built-in screenshot feature for macOS. We have a toolbar down the bottom where we can capture windows or capture select areas, video record the entire screen or just a section. We can choose where we want to save the result, and of course, actually capture it. The new feature that's come to Raycast is screenshot searching. This is a dedicated area for all screenshots and screen recordings. From the menu at the top right, we can filter between screenshots and recordings. And we can even find items by using the search bar at the top. It doesn't only search by file name, but can actually read text in the screenshots and recordings. If we right-click on an item or press Command-K, we get a series of actions to choose from. For instance, if I select Paste to Finder, the item automatically appears on my desktop. Raycast can also intelligently copy the text from an image, which can then be pasted anywhere on your computer. And we can also see where this file is in Finder. Next, Raycast have integrated a way to capture screenshots of Raycast itself. This, I imagine, would largely be for demonstration purposes. With Raycast open, click the Raycast icon in the bottom left corner, then select Settings, which can also be accessed by pressing Command, Make sure Advanced is selected at the top, and scroll down to Window Capture. First, I'm going to set a hotkey, which can be anything so long as it makes sense to you. Then I'm going to choose a photo. This is going to act as the background image for Raycast whenever we take our screenshot. I'll exit and head back to Raycast by pressing Option Space. Then I'll use the key command iSetup to initiate a Raycast screenshot. And check it out, the image we selected before is now the background for Raycast. I'll select Capture Window, then head back to the Search Screenshot area in Raycast. And there, it's been automatically added. If you want to view it, just open the Actions, head down to Quick Look, and select it.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.